egg wrap, chicken Greek yogurt, chocolate oatmeal, and brown rice stir-fried shrimp are 4 meals that will keep you feeling full and losing weight. And oh yeah, they're all 300 calories each. What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. I hope you guys are having a great day and staying safe. So previously I made a 300 calorie meal idea video that did pretty good. You guys enjoyed it a lot. So here's another one. By the way, guys, if you haven't checked out the 300 calorie meal idea video, the first one, check it out. Today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys 4 meals or snacks, depending how you guys look at it, that are fulfilling, help you lose weight, and only 300 calories. And oh yeah, delicious. These meals are also high on protein, so they do tend to build some muscle. These 4 meals are perfect for a 1200 calorie meal plan. So if you guys want a solid 1200 calorie meal plan, these 4 meals are actually perfect for that. Alright, enough chit chatting. Let's get into the video. All I ask in return is a like and subscribe if you haven't already. Alright, let's get down to it. Starting off with the first meal, and it's gonna be a egg wrap. Delicious egg wrap. First, we're gonna get a pan and we're gonna put 1 teaspoon of olive oil in there, and this is about 4.5 grams of fats, which is almost like a bit over 40 calories, but it's healthy fats for you, man. Olive oil has healthy essential fatty acids that is great. It'll help your hormones and overall will keep you full for a very long time. It's a very, very healthy oil. We're gonna crack not 1, not 2, but 3 whole eggs in there, and this is about 219 calories with 18 grams of protein, 3 grams of carbs, and 15 grams of healthy fats. Again, eggs, these fats are healthy fats. We're gonna go ahead and mix it, put some seasoning on that, and let it cook. Once it's finished, we're gonna plate it just like this. It should look like kind of like a bread or a burrito, you could say. And you want to go ahead and put 100 grams of cucumbers on there. This is about 20 calories with 1 gram of protein, 4 grams of carbs, and 1 gram of fiber, and 100 grams of tomatoes. And this has 1 gram of protein, 4 grams of carbs, and 2 grams of fiber, 20 calories. You want to make sure that the cucumber and tomatoes are sliced thin, because we're going to go ahead and wrap it just like this. You want to make sure that the wrap goes around nice and neat, that you can just hold it just like that and eat it like an actual burrito, like an egg wrap. It's kind of neat, isn't it? The total calories here is almost 300 calories, with the total macros being 20 grams of protein, 11 grams of carbs, 19.5 grams of fats, and 3 grams of fiber. Absolutely fulfilling, and it does keep you full for a very long time. I would say 2.5 to 3 hours max. It's pretty darn fulfilling. After we finish the delicious egg wrap, we're gonna move on to the second meal, and that's gonna be chicken Greek yogurt, and it's absolutely delicious. So first, you want to get 100 grams of chicken breast, and this is about 31 grams of protein and 4 grams of fats, total of 160 calories. You want to go ahead and season it, put some hot sauce on that, lemon, whatever you guys want, but make sure you put 1 teaspoon of olive oil in there, because we are going to be baking this. We're going to go ahead and marinate the chicken, make sure everything, all the flavors nice and mixed, and we're going to go ahead and put it to bake for about 10 minutes. While it's baking, we're going to get 170 grams of Greek yogurt, and this is about 92 calories with 17 grams of protein and 6 grams of carbs. We're also going to be chopping 40 grams of onions, but the chicken has been done. I know that was a fast 10 minutes, but that's it. It's just so good, man. We're going to chop up the chicken and put in the Greek yogurt, and then we're going to also put the 40 grams of onions in there, and this is about 16 calories, 4 grams of carbs, and 1 gram of fiber. Onions, man, I'm telling you, they're great. They boost your immune system. They're good for the body. It's just, onions is a fantastic vegetable. And it also spices up every tablespoon you take, so it's absolutely delicious. And oh yeah, don't forget to season the Greek yogurt. That's important as well. Total calories here is 308.5, with the total macros being 48 grams of protein, which is just absolutely insane, 10 grams of carbs, 8.5 grams of fats, and 1 gram of fiber. And you should be full for 2 to 3 hours max, because this is absolutely filling. Greek yogurt is casein protein, so it takes a longer time for your body to break down and digest. Don't forget, you have the oils there, you have the fats there, and you have the tough meat, which is the chicken breast. Everything's gonna work together and keep you full for a very long time, and it's high protein. So if you guys are trying to lose weight and build some muscle, man, this meal is the right meal. So these 2 meals you guys just saw doesn't have that many carbs, and I don't want to give the impression that carbs are the worst thing when it comes down to losing weight and feeling full. In fact, it's actually the opposite sometimes. You see, guys, carbs are not your enemy when it comes down to weight loss. It's calories and the type of foods that you eat. If you guys need to be eating a certain amount of calories to lose weight, then that's how much calories you need to lose weight. But if you guys eat foods that aren't fulfilling and aren't high on fiber, you tend to feel hungry, starve yourself, and end up with more problems than not. So it's very important to eat foods that will keep you full and keep you within that calorie range you need. And so in these two next meals, carbs are high, but the purpose is keeping you feel full and having quality food. So this way you guys don't feel the need to binge eat, because that's number one enemy to weight loss. So in these two next meals are gonna have some carbs, but they're good for you. They're not bad for you, and they do fulfill the purpose. So starting off with the third meal, and it's gonna be a chocolate omelet. Check it out. First, we're gonna get a pot and we're gonna put 200 milliliters of skim milk in there. And this has 64 calories with 6 grams of protein and 10 grams of carbs. Also, don't forget to add 100 milliliters of water in there so you can add some volume to it. After that, we're gonna put 30 grams of oats in there. And this has 110 calories with 4 grams of protein, 19 grams of carbs, 3 grams of fiber, and 2 grams of fat. We're gonna go ahead and mix it until it becomes a little solid, just like this. And we're gonna put 3/4 of a scoop of chocolate whey protein in there, and this has 18 grams of protein and 2 grams of carbs, total calories of 80. After you put the chocolate whey protein, add 50 milliliters of water to there and mix it until it looks something like this. We're gonna put 1 teaspoon of peanut butter in there, and this has 35 calories with 1 gram of protein, 1 gram of carb, and 3 grams of healthy fats. Pretty darn healthy. We're gonna go ahead and mix it until it's nice and thick, just like this. We're gonna plate it, and we're gonna put 4 grams of chocolate chips on there, because why not? You know, we want to enjoy our food, and it's absolutely delicious with some chocolate chips. And this only has 17 calories with 2 grams of carbs and 1 gram of fat. And look how good that looks, guys. That looks so freaking delicious. The total calories here is 306, with the total macros being 29 grams of protein, 34 grams of carbs, 6 grams of fats, and 3 grams of fiber. Again, just because the carb is high, it doesn't mean it's bad. It's actually really good and fulfilling, and you're full for a solid 3 hours. Minimum, man. This thing keeps you full for, oatmeal in general keeps you full for a very long time, but this one keeps you full for 3 hours, and it's only 300 calories. So that's good stuff. Moving on to the last meal, and this is absolutely fulfilling and delicious and easy to make, and it's going to be brown rice stir-fried shrimp. This is how you make it. Absolutely delicious. First, we're gonna get a pan and put 2 teaspoons of olive oil, and this has 81 calories with 9 grams of healthy fats. We're gonna place 100 grams of shrimp in there, and this is about 96 calories with 24 grams of whopping protein. No carbs, no fats. Shrimp is such an underrated food or a protein when it comes down to building muscle and losing weight, because it's just protein. 100% is just protein. So we're gonna go ahead and cook the shrimp. Now the oil may not be enough for the 100 grams of shrimp, so what I would say is that add a little bit of water in there so it can cook everything evenly. Once the shrimp is cooked, we're gonna put 80 grams of bell peppers in there, and this has 1 gram of protein, 5 grams of carbs, and 2 grams of fiber, 24 calories, as well as 40 grams of onions, and this has 16 calories, 4 grams of carbs, and 1 gram of fiber. We're gonna go ahead and mix it up, make sure that it gets caramelized and the vegetables do get cooked. This should take about 5 to 10 minutes until it's nicely cooked. Once that's cooked, we're gonna put 80 grams of cooked brown rice in there, and this is about 89 calories with 2 grams of protein, 18 grams of carbs, 2 grams of fiber, and 1 gram of fat. Brown rice, man, is so fulfilling, keeps you full for an extremely long time, and it's very healthy. Well, not very healthy, but it's healthy. Better than white rice. Once that's in the pan, we're gonna go ahead and mix it for about 5 to 7 minutes. Once it's nice and cooked, we're gonna plate it just like this. And this has about a total of 306 calories with 27 grams of protein, 27 grams of carbs, 10 grams of fats, and 3 grams of fiber. Again, you should be full for a solid 3 hours, man. For a solid 3 hours. It's absolutely fulfilling. It's just really fulfilling, man. If you guys want some zing to it, or you want some more flavor to it, put some hot sauce on it, because man, I love hot sauce. It goes good. I have hot sauce every single day, man. I love hot sauce. So you can put some hot sauce in there, a little bit of salad dressing if you guys want some like flavor to it. But just be cautious of the calories. Hot sauce doesn't give that much calories, but it is high on sodium. But don't be afraid to use some condiments or some salad dressings or whatever. You do want to enjoy your food. And voila, see how easy that was? These 4 meals were extremely easy to make. They'll probably take you 10 to 20 minutes to make, and they'll keep you full for like 3 hours and plus. I think that's a wicked deal. But go ahead, guys, go ahead and add these meals to your weight loss diet. Try them out. Let me know what you guys think. These are absolutely solid meals, and they do keep you full for an extremely long time. And because they're high on protein, a decent amount of fiber, and do keep you full for a very long time, these guys are great for losing weight and building muscle at the same time. So That's pretty awesome. So these meals are pretty solid. If you guys want more of a meal plan structure, I have tons of them on my YouTube channel. But if you guys want one that's tailored specific to you, well, you're in luck because now I do provide that service. For little as $5, I made a Fiverr page that I do give out custom calorie meal plans. Just go ahead and send me a DM. We'll figure out how many calories you need, what exactly are you allergic to, and how much calories you need to lose weight, gain weight, whatever it is you guys need. You guys can just DM me there and we can figure out something. So if you guys are interested in that, link is in the bio. Click on that link and DM me, and let's get some good meal plans and let's lose some weight, build some muscle, whatever your goal is. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you guys did, you will definitely enjoy this 300 calorie meal idea video. That's the first one that everyone enjoyed, as well as this 400 calorie meal idea video with this 200 calorie meal idea video. All do the same purpose: keep you full for a very long time and avoid you from binge eating and help you lose weight. Enjoy them videos. They're really helpful, and don't forget to subscribe, guys, and I shall see you guys in the next video. Peace.